How to fix this site can't be reached. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error in your browser. Stick around till the end so you don't miss the step that might actually fix it for you. So if you're getting this message, chances are your internet connection or your network settings are having some trouble. To start fixing it, go down to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in settings, then open it up. Once you're in the settings window, look over on the left-hand side and click on Network and Internet. Now scroll all the way down and find Advanced Network Settings. When you're in there, scroll down again and you should see an option called Network Reset. Click on that and then press Reset Now. Just be aware this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and reset all the related settings to their original defaults. So if anything's messed up with your network setup, this should give you a clean slate. Once your PC restarts, try opening the site again and see if it works now. Hopefully that's all it takes. If this helped, drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.